right, everybody. I am Eric from Eric's Excursions. I'm in Ocala, Florida at Lazy J Horse Farms, and just wanted you guys to come check out my channel. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit like. But this is a beautiful place. Love being here. Wanted to show you guys around, so please come to my channel and check out the videos. I'm making some videos today of the horse farm. Take you guys all around here. Look at this little fella. He's not little. Hey, buddy. So please come out, check out my channel.